Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate chip cookies, an easy guide for a delightful treat. We'll start by gathering all our ingredients. You'll need 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of softened unsalted butter, and 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. Also, 1 cup of packed light brown sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 2 cups of chocolate chips. Let's get baking. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's start mixing. First, in a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour, baking soda, and salt. In a separate, larger bowl, cream together the softened butter with both the granulated and brown sugars until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs one at a time, followed by the vanilla extract. Finally, gradually add your dry ingredients to the wet mixture, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix the dough. With our dough mixed, it's time for the star ingredient, chocolate chips. Gently fold in the 2 cups of chocolate chips until they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. For the best results, I highly recommend chilling your dough. Cover it tightly and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial because it helps prevent the cookies from spreading too much while baking, and it also deepens the flavors, giving you a richer, more satisfying cookie with a wonderful texture. Now for the exciting part, baking. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Drop rounded tablespoons of your chilled dough onto ungreased baking sheets, making sure to space them about 2 inches apart. Bake for 9 to 11 minutes, or until the edges are beautifully golden brown and the centers are just set. Let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before moving them to a wire rack. And there you have it, warm, delicious chocolate chip cookies, ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.